Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 12:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 1st, 2021. Happy Friday. It is. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and bell if you want to be notified. The thumbs up. Share the video with your Origin pals, your Origin Protocol pals, friends, and family. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video if you want to be notified of anything thinking about in the middle of the day. In the meantime, let's look over at the Origin US dollar pair. Man, what a nice, beautiful bounce. Man, this was like, it just kind of peeled out right from here at 73 cents. Where we got as high as around 80 cents, 81 cents. Pulled back. We're still 79 cents, still very healthy move upward. Now, remember that Origin US dollar is not driven by Origin by itself, and everyone has to understand the components of what makes up the Origin US dollar. One is Origin Bitcoin. The other is Bitcoin itself. When you multiply Origin Bitcoin by Bitcoin US dollar, you get Origin US dollar, and that's the math. There is no, math is math, and you cannot dispute it. So here we are, Origin US dollar. I think we're going to be a little bit sideways from here in the near term. We'll go into why in a second. Let's just go over to Origin Bitcoin right now. We're still, relatively sideways here. I think we'll remain sideways for a bit as Bitcoin starts to consolidate where we're at around the 47,500 range. Consolidate into the weekend, and then, in my opinion, I think we're going to start heading higher by Sunday night, folks. Possibly sooner than that. So something to look at here. I think we go sideways for now, at least between today and tomorrow. So that's where I think our Origin US dollar price action will also remain. But, still up here versus way down here. We definitely knew that was our pretty solid line of support, and it certainly was. In the meantime, let's look over at Bitcoin US dollar, and we are almost at the end of this rectangle pattern, as we just mentioned. I think another couple of days to kind of work out the kinks like we've done in the past. Over here was at the end of the rectangle, and then we kind of bounced down a little bit for our next leg up. And what's important here to note is that this is playing out exactly as we had been talking about this for the last few weeks. In fact, it kind of started this rally up very, very nicely. Literally took 2 days this time around, whereas this was multiple days. This took like 6 or 7. But then again, you have to realize this is a miniature. We're in the miniature rectangle compared to what we were back in the May to July timeframe. So that's kind of where we're at here. But I expect that by Sunday we're going to roar higher. And in the meantime, let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, because the meaning of this chart has changed. So the price action in the past, a couple of weeks ago, even last week, was that when Bitcoin dominance went up, it acted kind of like the VIX, meaning it was like a fear index. So as it went up, you could see the crypto market selling off. Well, now things have changed, and we saw this. We noticed it. We noted it the first time 2 days ago, and we saw it again yesterday, and we cleanly talked about it, which is that Bitcoin was going up and Bitcoin dominance was going up. So we can sense and smell in the air that there was a change in the Bitcoin action and the crypto market. And so we were able to use this as a leading indicator. Between this and the fact that we recognize the pattern in Bitcoin, those two combined really had us feeling pretty comfortable with the price action that we now have witnessed since last night. So definitely leading indicators, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice. In the meantime, Origin is 79.5 cents, and I think we're going to be sideways between today and tomorrow, and we will touch base tomorrow. Talk soon.